I met a traveler from an antique land who said, two vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in the desert near them on the sand, half sunk, a shattered visage lies, whose frowns and wrinkled lip and sneer of cold command tell that its sculptor well those passions read, which yet survive, stamped on this lifeless thing, the hands that mocked them, and the heart that fed, and on the pedestal these words appear. My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. Look on my work, ye mighty, and despair. Nothing beside remains. Round the decay of the colossal wreck, boundless and bare, the lone and level stands stretched far away.